So today,
Yeah.
I met
Are you talking?
yeah, I met Jane.
Yes. Jane.
Gregory.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Take off my glasses. What's going on around there? Don't you swim? You know it's going up later, right?
Okay, let's go.
So we're gonna go get some. Well, we just had some food and stuff, and she's Where we're going? We're gonna get some more food.
Ingredients? The
Gaza, meg blah blah glia.
Megalia. Yeah.
So she's my date for today.
For today.
For today, we have a date next time.
Yeah?
Next time, maybe.
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 Yes.
She said maybe.
Maybe no.
Maybe no. Maybe no. Wow. You know this is going up later, right?
Yeah.
You know this is going on up, right? I'm not even going to edit this. I'm going to upload this, right?
What?
So you'll be famous by tomorrow.
Are
maybe,
you sure?
So maybe you get better man for boyfriend. So.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Better man. I'm not good. You say I'm not good enough. So today
I didn't.
we were in. Where were we? We're in. What's the place? What's the restaurant? Where are we? What's the restaurant? Caesarea.
Yeah.
And she's introducing me to a painting, guys. See, a painting. Well, it's okay. I get the hint. I get hint. And she said, and I said, what did I say again? I said, so you're saying, and I said, so she said, like, okay, Andre, I'm going to introduce you to the painting, the woman in the painting. I said, but no, she's not as beautiful as you. She says, I know. That's why I'm introducing you to her. I'm like, what?
This is a joke.
So I'm not worthy. It's okay. So Jane doesn't like me like me. So I'm gonna go and cry.
Go cry.
See that? She's heartless. Heartless.
I have a big heart.
You have a big heart.
Yeah.
And I'm a big guy, so I need lots of loving.
Yeah?
Don't you think? No?
I think so.
Yeah. But so Jane and I are just chilling. Haha, look at me, crazy guy. So I told her it's going up on the channel and she doesn't believe me.
China? You're
Channel.
A channel.
Yeah, because the guys, you know, when you subscribe to today, this is
I
going
thought
up.
you were going to China.
No. Well, oh, you thought? I don't want to go to China and leave you here by yourself. No.
Oh, you're the one who's heartless.
I'm heartless. I don't want to leave. How's that heartless? I don't leave you. You want me to leave you alone?
No.
So you see that? I'm trying to be nice, and she doesn't want to accept it.
You're just trying to be nice?
I'm always nice.
Yeah.
No? Don't it?
You are?
Don't it? I'm not nice.
You are.
I am. Alright, later guys. Bye. She's crazy.
Bye.
Just let me.
Bye.
Oh. Twerk. Miley Cyrus.
I twerk better than her.
Say it again. You twerk better than Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus can't twerk.
Maybe you're not sure.
You're not sure. Oh my god. Hey. Up in the store. Welcome. Wagwan. Hey, Wagwan. Hey. Hello. すいません。英語が話しますか？英語話しますか？ No. Really? Jamaican これそう日本語が少しわかります。
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just saying hi. Hi, Wagwan. Hi.
元気ですかみたいな。どうですかみたいな。
What did you say? Hi. No, 大丈夫。What did you tell her? What did you tell her? Tell me what you told her.
I told her that you like her.
That I really?
Yeah.
Okay. I know. I'm a stud. I'm good looking, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she said I'm not good looking. Really?
I told you.
You told her I like her?
Yeah.
Genki means how are you, so? Genki, so I like how she looks? What? You're crazy. But I'm more crazy than you, so.
I know that.
Well, me bad, me not afraid, 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 me not afraid. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, I love making trouble. In the people them store. Be loud and boisterous like a real Gaijin. Loud, follow, follow, follow. Alright, I'm done, Bye bye.
You're done?
I'm done because I'm done. Oh, let me make up something on the spot, make up something on the spot. Oh, walking around in Toyota with my camera on.
I thought you're finished.
Recording all these things that I do. But no one can understand what I'm saying. Call me a chat patois. And none of them don't know what me I say. None of them don't know. Oh, me get strange look on my face, come me better than. So me move faster than the rest, so me ladder than. Flip flows so me madder than. Oh, alright, let me get international audience. So, yo, I hit the flows like I'm so sick. Moving faster, I'm bigger than Moby Dick. Hit it up, stick, rolls the clip. Look at me with the links, gold is ish. Look at the cutie, she's a 10. Hit it up and went again and again. Jamaica flag, oh my god, Jamaica flag. Jamaica flag up in here so they know we there. Flip flow, sipping from the chrome with that. So you know that I'm with it. You want it, so with the credit. I want to quit it. Nobody else to hit it. Oh. Right here after 10 hours of shopping.
10 hours of shopping?
10 hours.
It's just a 10 minutes.
I'm so tired. So this is a Gaijin shopping experience.
Yeah.
So she's Gaijin. So yeah.
Where's the camera?
Philippine. Camera. Yeah. Philippine and Jamaica. So yeah, she's so crazy. She's so crazy. Girl, you're so crazy.
I just can't sleep.
Just can't sleep. Okay, so I don't know where I get these people from.